I'm RJ Pruitt here with Northwater Marine. We do business as R&R Marine Supply in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. Working on a new project. This is a 1984 Starcraft Islander. It's a 22-foot boat with the full cabin. This particular boat's got a OMC stringer drive in it with a 3-liter 4-cylinder engine. Again, this boat is a 1984, so don't let the condition fool you. It is actually that old. It's in very good cosmetic condition. You can actually see, you know, all the original paint is intact. The original decals are all intact, faded, but they're all there. You know, the front, everything is in really good condition, at least on the surface. I'm going to get up inside the boat and show you a little bit about what we're dealing with, why we're needing to do such an extensive project on this boat. Again, this is just the very first video. I had just pulled the wrap off of it, pulled it into the garage here where we could start taking a look at it. This boat has some nice options like this kicker mount on it, but again, we got a lot of work to do. It's a quick shot of the interior, and like I said, I'm going to hop up in there here in just a minute. Okay, I'm up inside the boat now, and I just want to show you some of the details, some of the reasons why we have to do a lot of work on this boat. Again, if you look at it, you would think that everything is in really good condition. Cosmetically, it is. You can see that the floor isn't all in pretty good condition. The vinyl has really no rips or tears or anything in it, which is really pretty nice. Side panels, same thing. They all look pretty good. Even the little bases where the seats attach are in pretty good condition. A lot of times on these particular boats that rots out. Everything here is all in pretty good condition. Even the upholstery on these seats, again, these are original 1984 seats in really good condition. The dash, everything else is in good shape. One of the reasons for that is based on the hour meter, which I think is probably accurate. This boat only has 320 hours on it, so pretty impressive for a 36-year-old boat. Cabin, same thing. It's all in pretty good condition. It's pretty dark down here. Well, shows up pretty good. You can see cushions, everything are all in pretty good condition. Even the curtains, the original curtains are still in here. It's all in pretty good shape. But whenever we look at an old boat like this, we always have to start looking at the structure of it. And first thing I noticed when I first looked at this boat is piles of leaves in these back corners. Now on these Starcraft Islanders, you can get right at the transom in both of these corners. You can see there's a pile of leaves. You can see over here there's a very big pile of leaves underneath the battery here. I do actually have a charger going on this battery. Not sure if it's going to come back to life or not, but one of the things we notice when we start digging, I'm going to see if I can get it to focus in this dark corner here. Look at this. This is completely rotten. Just completely rotten. That whole transom. I can dig my finger. I think I'm actually to the aluminum there. Just completely gone. It's an unfortunate thing, but it's just the nature of these boats. You know, aluminum boat with a plywood transom, and if you get any moisture sitting in there, they start to rot. The other side's not as bad, but you can see here, again, this is all really soft. You know, I can push my finger right into it and dig at it. Down in this corner here, I mean, you can see it's gone. That transom is shot. So that's what we're looking at. That's what we're dealing with. So basically what I'm showing is we definitely have a rotten transom. Some of you guys might be saying, well, wait a minute, this is a stringer drive. Who really cares about the transom? Yeah, and you're right. So what's kind of interesting about a stringer drive, and you know, I intend to someday go through a whole series of videos of how a stringer drive is different than other out drives. Basically what you can see here is the engine mounts, you know, here at the front. This is the front, and then here at the rear. That's actually what transmits all the forces from the prop into the boat to move it forward. So this again is a stringer drive. It's got a big rubber boot around where the outdrive comes through the transom, and again, all the forces get transmitted right into the stringers of the boat. So why does the transom matter? Well, long story short, this thing's not going to have a stringer drive forever.